Hello and welcome to my ideas and comments on the software provided by Wowzer and the deployment into the IPO. The software Wowzer will produce for us is a web-based application that will handle the coordination and executions of events within the company. The software will especially handle management of both formal and informal staff events. The primary users for the software will be staff who are looking to find new events and register their attendance to these. However, there will also be staff members who will use this platform to create their own events, and they will coordinate, publish and advertise through this software. We will also have users who will maintain and provide internal support for this software. There are numerous different tools for managing the deployment milestones, deliverables associated with software. One example is Git, which is a platform used to store the code, the documentation, and all of the different issues with your software at the moment. I would recommend using AHA, which is a platform for creating visual roadmaps to aid in software development. It provides a user-friendly way to outline our strategies, features, and ideas. Finally, I would also recommend Trello. This is a platform for keeping track of tasks involved with group work, establishing multiple users to both boards and cards. Trello works across various devices to ensure everyone is kept up to date and progress is being made. There are a few issues to consider when looking at security and security technologies. Since the software will be using a web-based client-server module, authorization and authentication will be paramount in ensuring data is kept secure. One way to ensure this is by encrypting the data being stored. Encryption has a low failure rate when it comes to hacking, and it should be implemented. Risks are naturally going to occur around every corner, such as data breaches and server corruptions. So it's important to ensure that measures are being put in place to prevent it. As mentioned previously, authentication and authorization is extremely important when it comes to creating a new piece of software for just commercial use, let alone professional use. Techniques such as hashing should be implemented to ensure sensitive data, such as passwords, isn't stored in such a way that it can be accessed by those with malicious intent. Access control is extremely important when adding security to software as well. Only certain people should have access to certain level of data. Someone creating their own events shouldn't be able to access the same information as the system administrator. SQL is designed to deal with handling structured data where there are relations between different entities and variables in the data that is stored. There are two main uses of SQL, meaning data in relation data management system, a stream processing in a relation data stream management system. These two systems provides a wide variety of data that can be stored, but given the context of the software, I would recommend using a relational data management system. There is three different approaches for staff support that we could have. It's automated support, human support, and a QA board. Automated support is where you create a chatbot and have a user talking to a chatbot. Issues occurring with this is the chatbot not understanding the different issues the user might have. Then we could use a human support board if we want to have full coverage. A human support board is where you have a board of people providing support for this specific software. Then again, this is very expensive, but it's very likely to be the best solution. Then again, we could also have a QA board. A QA board is simply a list of questions with a link to an answer for that question. Thank you for your time.